Hello everyone, today we are the student of class 9C of BPS Convent School are going to represent a project in front of you. The name of our project is Automatic or Smart Stretcher. We have find a problem that in hospitals, patients get problem on stretcher, they don't feel comfortable there according to the body, and at night the body need any blood circulation or any other thing, then the doctor can't know about that. So we think and idea about it that the automatic or smart stretcher which think about all blood, all medical facilities that body need. Now my friend will tell about this more to you.
It is a fully automatic machine which know about the comfort of the patient, and it supply blood, oxygen and other material which the body need. And at the time of operations, it will provide all necessary facilities, and the most important thing, the lights which we need at the operation time, and it manages all functions, coordinations of the body. It was the most important machine in nowadays because it will provide the innovation functions and other simplified function which was newer and the best for the doctors. We can use this machine and probably in hospitals, mega hospitals at bigger cities. And we are using the automatic sensible lights, advanced sensors, automatic blood circulation pipes, robotic hands, adjustable lights and other advanced operations regarding tools, self-drive wheels, automatic reachable sensor and etc.
Okay.
It have the gas cylinder that supply oxygen to the patient then when the patient need, and it have blood bank when the blood need to the patient, then it automatically release the blood to the body. And their operation things like structures and stethoscopes and many other scissors which is there, and it automatically comes out when the doctors need. And there have lights which will automatically adjustable, and it is have self-drive wheels which can move here and there.
Okay.
It have computers, smart computers which automatically sense the all functions, and it have LEDs displays which coordinate the functions, and these are the lights which adjustable to the patient's body.